In this Drupal Commerce 2.x demo, we'll go over adding taxes to a store, and we'll start by going to the Commerce menu, then Configuration, and finally all the way down to tax types. The first screen shows all of our existing tax types that have already been created. We can see that they're all enabled. Let's add a new one by clicking Add Tax Type. Start by giving the new tax type a name. Next, looking at plugins, we can see our current options: custom or plug-and-play predetermined types. I'll select Canadian sales tax. Our tax rates change to reflect the plugin selected, and we can see federal rates plus individual province rates. I'll choose the EU VAT plugin next. Again, our tax rates change with the selected plugin. Finally, I'll select the Swiss VAT plugin. This is the plugin I'll use, so now I'll just need to double-click and check a few settings, then click Save. Our new tax rate has been saved and is enabled. I'll click Edit to go back into it. Any existing rate can be updated as needed and saved. I can delete a tax type by clicking on the Operations drop-down, then Delete. I'll then need to confirm the action because it cannot be undone. Let's now add a new custom tax type. Just like the other taxes, I'll start by adding a name. For our plugin, I'll leave this as custom. Then I'll configure some of the basic settings. I'll set up the main properties of our custom tax, starting with the tax rate. Enter a name and amount. You can optionally have a number of tax rates associated with a tax type. This is useful if you'd like to separate something like regional and national tax rates. Next, I need to configure territories for this tax type. I'll start by selecting a country. Once a country has been selected, you can then drill down further to specific states or provinces, and even specify postal codes. I can add additional territories as required. Custom tax types are good for simple configurations. However, to set up every state in the United States would be a difficult process this way. Tax plugin integrations with services such as Avalara can make difficult tax setups easy and ensures tax rates are always up to date. For this example, I'll disable our custom tax type and save it. Our custom tax type has been saved and added to our list. We can see the status is disabled. I'll edit it quickly and enable it. There we go. It has been enabled and now active with the rest of our tax types. This completes the tax setup demo. As you can see, configuring taxes with your Drupal Commerce store is quite easy. Additional plugins and integrations can be added in. And like any other aspect of Drupal, if a tax solution isn't readily available, it can always be developed.